SharePoint Fest is once again coming to Seattle on August 15 to 18, 2016. Let's take a look at the SharePoint Fest Seattle site to see what it has to offer. The first and most important thing, of course, are the sessions themselves. So let's dig into it. If I click on the Sessions tab on top, you can see that there's a lot of rich content offered here. For example, the BI scenarios, Power View, content types, shipper adoption, workflows. There's a lot of rich content, but there's too much. There's a lot to consume at one time. So the best thing that I found on this site is if you go to the bottom, there's a subcategories. You can go ahead and drill down on something, for example, the Power User track, and you'll see exactly what's being offered for power users. For example, the class that I'm offering for non-developers or power users. What Jerry is offering, talking about foundations of great SharePoint site. Similarly, if you go back and you look at different categories or subcategories, there's search, solution showcases, workflows, ECM, all sorts of stuff. So this should be able to help. Let me show you some of the visuals of what you should expect to see at this conference. Administering Office 365 successfully with services such as Power BI, Yammer, Sway, Delve, and of course SharePoint Online. Modifying master pages, but doing them carefully so they accomplish your goal but don't mess up anything. Creating beautiful looking and very informative dashboards with just Excel Power View and Excel services. Managing your projects directly on Project Server, which resides on the interface of SharePoint. And of course, showing and talking about the SharePoint 2016 user interface and how it's very similar to the SharePoint Online user experience and not that much different from what we have been used to from SharePoint 2013. The agenda of the conference can be easily browsed by going to agenda over here, going to pre-conference workshops. You can see the Monday and Tuesday workshops that are being offered. These are full day or half day workshops that are being offered right there at the conference. In addition, of course, one of the best views of the whole conference itself is the conference agenda. So when you click on the conference agenda, here you can see exactly what's being offered in terms of all the individual sessions on Wednesday, August 17th and Thursday, August 18th. Now I like this view the best because this way I can see any speaker's profile by clicking on it, or what I'll do here is right click on it, click on open a new tab, so you can see if I did click on it, you could show, for example, Stephanie Donahue's profile here, exactly which sessions she's doing. I can click on each of the sessions to get information about that session. Also, I can start the conversation even before the conference by just tweeting her directly and finding out exactly what she'll be talking about in these sessions. So very valuable information, in my opinion, to get to this agenda, understand exactly what's being offered, who is it being offered by, get their profile, get connected to them. Let's check out the venue of the conference. If I click on location, it shows me that the same place where the Seattle conference happened last year, which is the Washington State Convention Center, that's where it's happening again this year. Now, in my opinion, the place matters quite a bit as well, because it's much more comfortable and professional. In fact, when you click on it, it tells you that it won the Best Convention Conference Center Award in Washington State. Definitely a very, very good facility to have the conference at, and a very conducive learning environment. Let's not forget the sponsors of the event. I'm going to go ahead and click on the sponsors tab over here. It would be a great opportunity as well to meet with these exhibitors, these sponsors, to understand exactly how their solution extends the SharePoint solution, the SharePoint-based solution, which can help you accomplish your goals on top of SharePoint. When you're ready to register, click on the register button. These are all the different registration types that are offered, the Diamond Pass, Platinum Pass, etc. So choose the one that applies to you the best. Also, if you're bringing colleagues along, which definitely is very good when you have designers and developers and end users and power users all coming as part of the team, it makes it much more beneficial for the company. There are group discounts available for this conference as well. I hope to see you in Seattle at SharePoint Fest in August. Take care, and thanks for watching.